Hello, I almost forgot. The 8th day. Holy shit. It's been a long day. Busy day. Let's see. Oh, 8 is the number, the square one. God, I hope this is a good one. I really hope this isn't some stupid thing. Oh, hell yeah. Okay. Nice. It looks like a little minnow.
Bean, stop looking at the camera like that.
No, Ben, I don't know what your goddamn deal is today.
Nice.
Swear to God. Anyways, this one's... Can't even do it now. This is a good one, okay? There, Ben. Is that okay? It's good. This is what I gotta deal with.